Did you know that you can speak your reality into existence? That's how powerful you are. That's how powerful your words are. You can use your words to deliberately speak your reality into existence. This is why affirmations are so powerful. I feel like we live in the world where there's such a culture of affirmations and everyone is just telling you to, once you want to manifest something, start repeating affirmations, start repeating affirmations, start repeating affirmations. And this is true because yes, you can use your affirmations to speak your reality into existence, but in order to make them work for you, you actually have to understand the science of words and energy and how your affirmations actually work, because sometimes you might be repeating an affirmation, but this affirmation is not working, and you start asking yourself, okay, so why is it not working? Apparently affirmations just don't work and I shouldn't repeat affirmations, which is not true. You should repeat affirmations. You should repeat affirmations out loud, and you should also repeat affirmations in your head. And we're gonna cover in a second why repeating them out loud and also repeating them in your head is so important. So if you feel like your affirmations are not working, you're gonna soon make them work for you, and you're gonna make them give you the reality of your dreams. Because words are powerful, thoughts are powerful, energy is powerful. You are a powerful creator of your reality, and if you want something, you can get it. That's it. That's it. You can manifest anything you want, and affirmations can help you with bringing this reality into existence. So let's say that yes, you repeat affirmations because you do believe in the power of affirmations, and every morning you repeat your affirmations for 5 minutes. That's great, that's amazing, that's incredible. But repeating affirmations for 5 minutes won't have much impact on your entire reality. Because, the day is so long, right? The day has 24 hours. So you repeating an affirmation for 5 minutes, it's great. It's great that you acknowledge the fact that you should repeat this affirmation. It's not going to have that much impact on your reality. So it's better to remind yourself that you have to repeat your affirmations as frequently as you can. And you can even repeat them in front of the mirror, because it is also so powerful. It helps you to reprogram your subconscious mind faster. But the more you repeat them, the more you are able to influence your subconscious mind. And when you repeat them, don't really just repeat a statement without any emotional engagement whatsoever. You have to be emotionally engaged in your affirmations. In order to make your affirmations work, you have to feel your affirmations, because emotion is energy in motion. Emotions are what gives your affirmations power. So yes, repeat your affirmations out loud, but repeat them with confidence, with joy, with happiness, with gratitude. Allow all of these positive emotions to fill your body while you're repeating your affirmations. This is so powerful. This is when you start creating this energetic attraction that actually makes your affirmations work, because words are energy, and energy always attracts like energy. So if you boost your words with the right kind of energy, your reality is going to reflect that energy. And also always state your affirmations using the present tense. So never state your affirmations in the future and never state your affirmations in the past. State them as if they are a current reality and they're happening right now. But obviously, you're not always able to repeat your affirmations out loud. And what's even more important is being aware of your thoughts and repeating affirmations in your head. Because truly you can repeat affirmations in your head all day long. Essentially, you can do this all day long. Like nobody is with you in your head. You can talk to yourself about whatever you want to talk to yourself, right? And what we actually do on a daily basis, we tend to sabotage like all of this good work we do with repeating our affirmations out loud. We kind of sabotage it by just thinking the thoughts that are not matching our affirmations. So let's say you have like this very powerful affirmation session about abundance. When you affirm out loud, I am abundant, money comes easily to me, and things like that. And you really just allow yourself to feel this abundance and you tap into the frequency of abundance. But once you've done with repeating your affirmations, you start going about your day and about your daily tasks, and suddenly you just start to have all of this thoughts about lack. And it's when you catch yourself having these thoughts, it's so important to turn them into powerful affirmations and just repeat them in your head. Counteract your negative thoughts with positive affirmations. And the more you do this, the more you will be able to reprogram your subconscious mind, because your subconscious program is essentially nothing else than a set of your habitual thinking patterns. And you can always change your habitual thinking patterns. And when you every day pay attention to your thoughts and start changing your thoughts and transforming your thoughts and really just transforming the way you think and the way you feel, like it's going to influence your subconscious mind in such a powerful way. So repeat your affirmations in your head, because you can repeat them anywhere. You can repeat them anywhere. There's no excuse. You can repeat affirmations in your head everywhere. So start doing this and also connect them with emotions. And I feel like it's the combination of the spoken word and the words that you're thinking that is so effective, because speaking is more about like verbalizing it and allowing the energy to become a little bit more physical, and thinking it's more about this like esoteric realm and this non-physical plane, when you are just like talking to your subconscious mind and also sending out all of these different energy patterns to the universe. And if you're especially lazy, you can even record your affirmations and start listening to them on repeat. And it's also going to have such a profound impact on your subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind really reacts to emotions and your subconscious mind reacts to repetition. So the more you repeat something and the more you connect it with different emotions, positive emotions, the more you're able to create a new belief system, which will lead to a new identity, and a new identity will lead to a new reality, because it's all connected. So when you start working on this one thing, everything will fall into place, because your belief system is the foundation of your reality. And what affirmations do, they essentially help you establish a new belief system, a new foundation, a new state of being. And since your reality always mirrors your state of being, a new state of being will give you a new reality. So yes, it's so important to repeat affirmations, but it's also important to understand what you're doing when you're repeating affirmations. Because the more you're aware of what you're doing, the more you know it's going to work in your reality. So start being serious about your affirmations and really create like your own affirmation strategy. Make it fun. Make it something that feels good. And also what's powerful is writing down your affirmations. So like scripting. Scripting, you're super powerful, because it just like allows you to make these affirmations a little bit more three-dimensional. You put them onto paper, you give them life, you work with your imagination and start not only feeling these affirmations, but also imagining these affirmations. So yeah, scripting is super powerful too. So you have so many options when it comes to affirmations, and the key is choose what feels good for you. If repeating affirmations out loud in the beginning feels very awkward to you, then start with the inner conversation. Start changing your inner conversation. And when you have an inner conversation that is serving you, then you can gradually start repeating your affirmations out loud as well. But just don't overwhelm yourself with affirmations, because when you feel awkward repeating affirmations, the feeling of awkwardness is actually what the universe is going to pick up on. So first, when you focus on this inner conversation and really on this like emotions that this conversation brings you, and you change these emotions into positive emotions, this is when you create this like strong foundation. And then you can start experimenting with different affirmations, techniques, and see what feels good to you, see what feels natural to you. You can even start listening to subliminals, although be very careful with subliminals. Always create your subliminals yourself, or take your subliminals from a very trusted source. Because the thing with subliminals is that you can hear them. You can hear them, like that's the essence of subliminals, right? You can hear them. And that means that this person creating subliminals can actually put inside your head anything they want to put inside your head. So yeah, they might claim that they just give you like abundance affirmations, abundance subliminals, whereas the affirmations might be different and they might actually attach you to this person and, I don't know, make you believe that you should buy like this thing from this person, this thing from this person. So just like be very careful with subliminals, and creating them yourself is the safest option when it comes to subliminals, but you don't really need subliminals. Like when you have big affirmations themselves are enough. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that now you will understand better how to speak your reality into existence, and how to think your reality into existence, and how to create this new state of being that will essentially give you a new reality. A reality where you are just experiencing joy and having fun with all of your different manifestations. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give this a big thumbs up. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.